Creating a clean, professional home theater doesn't have to be complicated, and the Julycode hidden motorized UST projector cabinet proves that. This cabinet is built to perfectly accommodate nearly any ultra-short throw projector, allowing it to remain hidden when not in use and emerge with a smooth, motorized motion when it's time to watch. The mechanism is quiet and seamless, keeping your viewing experience distraction-free while maintaining a sleek and modern look for your living space. Compatibility is a major strength. This cabinet works with 99% of ultra-short throw projectors, supporting projection distances between 88 and 150 centimeters. This means your projector is always positioned for optimal image quality without needing constant adjustments. Whether it's a high-end 4K device or a standard model, the cabinet ensures your image is sharp, vibrant, and properly aligned with your screen. Functionality extends beyond hiding your projector. The smart drawer can store remotes, streaming devices, HDMI cables, and other accessories, keeping everything organized while maintaining a minimalist aesthetic. The cabinet's design is sleek and contemporary, crafted to blend seamlessly into a variety of home decors. Its clean lines and quality finish make it feel more like a piece of furniture than a tech accessory. Installation is simple. Most of the assembly is pre-done, requiring only proper alignment with your projector and screen. Once in place, the motorized motion is impressively silent, allowing uninterrupted enjoyment of movies, series, or gaming sessions even in quiet settings. The system is smooth, responsive, and built for durability. Space efficiency is another key advantage. Ultra-short throw projectors are already compact, but this cabinet further reduces clutter by fitting neatly under furniture or into tighter spaces without obstructing other elements in the room. It's particularly valuable for smaller homes, apartments, or rooms where maximizing space is essential. Precision placement is one of the major benefits. With this cabinet, the projector remains at the perfect distance and angle every time, guaranteeing images are distortion-free, perfectly scaled, and bright. Convenience, style, and performance are all combined in one piece, so there's no need to compromise between aesthetics and functionality. Durability and safety are built in. The motorized system includes sensors that prevent accidental closure, protecting your projector from potential damage. The cabinet is made from premium materials designed to withstand years of use while maintaining its smooth, polished appearance. Its understated elegance ensures it complements any home theater setup rather than distracting from it. Ultimately, the Julycode hidden motorized UST projector cabinet is more than just a storage solution. It's a full upgrade for any home theater, improving organization, enhancing aesthetics, and ensuring your projector performs at its best. The combination of design, functionality, and reliability makes it a valuable addition for anyone looking to take their home entertainment to the next level. For more information or to purchase, a link is provided in the description below. This small investment can transform your entertainment space, combining practicality and style in one elegant solution.